Hi students, today let us continue with the topic ratio, that is comparing ratios. So for any two ratios A by B and C by D, if A into D, okay, when you take the ratios A into D equals to B into C, then you can tell that both the ratios are equal. And from the given ratios, if A into D is greater than B into C, then you can tell A by B is greater than C by D. Similarly, A into D is less than B into C, then you can tell that A by B is less than C by D. Okay, this is how we can compare the ratios. Now coming to the next topic, increase or decrease in ratio. Increase or decrease in given ratio. So if the given ratio is increased in ratio A is to B, if a given ratio is increased in ratio A is to B, then the new resulting ratio will be B by A into the given quantity. Okay, so if given quantity is increased in the ratio A is to B, that is where B is greater than A. If B is greater than A, then what will be the new resulting ratio? B by A into the given quantity. That is the first condition. What is the second condition? If a given quantity is decreased in the ratio A is to B, in that case where B is less than A, if B is less than A is the condition, then your quantity will be again B by A into the given quantity. Okay, the formula remains the same, but first one is the increased in ratio, second one decreased in the ratio. Okay, so let us do few problems based on that, so the concept will be more clear to you. Okay, now let us continue with our exercise 11D. Okay, exercise 11D. Which ratio is greater? Okay, first question, that is in your page number 108 in your textbook. Page number 108. Which ratio is greater? So first, what's the first question given? You have a look at that. 8 by 15 or 5 by 9. So what they have told you, if this is the form, this is A by B form and this is C by D form. You have to do A into D. That is A into D equals to 8 into 9. That is, what is that? It's equal to 72. Again, B into C. What is B into C? B into C is 15 into 5. That is equal to 75. So you'll get here A into D is less than B into C. So our estimation, finally what you can write? A by B. If that is the condition, what is it told? A by B is less than C by D. That means what's our C by D here? So you can write the comparison here. 8 by 15 is less than 5 by 9. Is it clear? Okay. Similarly, let me do the second question. 3 by 7 or 6 by 13. So this and this you need to multiply. Similarly, this and this you need to multiply. Let us see. 3 into 13 equals to 39. 7 into 6 equals to 42. This is in the form A into D. That is, which is greater now again? Which is greater they have asked you. So here you can write 5 by 9 is greater. Okay. They didn't ask you to compare. They have just asked you to write the greater one. So here 3 into 13 is 39. And again, B into C. So again you can write here. Therefore, which is greater? This part is greater, right? So here you will get 3 into 13 is less than 7 into 6. That implies 6 by 13 is greater. Okay. Now they've asked you which ratio is smaller. How do you do it? Same way you need to do it. Second question, first one. What's the first sub question? 9 by 17 or 8 by 15. Okay. So please do it. You have to do it as 9 into 15, and here what you have, 17 into 8. Correct? So what you are getting, 9 into 15 as 9 into 15 is equal to 15 nines are 135 you will get. Correct? 15 nines are 135. So just do 17 into 8 and check. 17 into 8 you will be getting the answer as 136. So which is greater? 17 8s are greater. So which is you need smaller one, right? The second sub question, second question you have, you need to find out the smaller value. So which is the smaller value here? Therefore 9 by 17 is smaller. Okay. Now let us do the second sub question of the second one. 7 by 15 or 15 by 32. Again, 7 into 32 is the first one, 15 into 15 is the second one. 7 into 32. Just calculate, do a rough work in your rough book and see. 7 into 32 will give you 32 into 7. 7 2s are 14, 1 balance, 7 3s are 21, 22. So we'll get us 224. 15 into 15 is 225. So again, here which is smaller here? 7 by, this is smaller, right? So what is the first one is smaller? So you can write 7 by 15 is smaller. Now let us do the third question. What's the third question given to us? Okay. Increase 95 in the ratio. 95 in the ratio 5 is to 8. So we already, this will be in the form A is to B. We already learned about it, right? Increase in ratio and decrease in ratio. We have already gone through that. So what was given? Just have a look here. Even if it's increase in ratio or decrease in ratio, we have to do B by A into the given quantity. Let us do the same way here. So B by A means 8 by 5 into the given quantity. What's the given quantity here? 95. So the new quantity will be equal to 5 and 95. You can divide by 5. How many times? You know it directly. 5 ones are 5, 4. 45. 5 nines are 45. So we'll get it as 19. So 19 into 8. 9 8s are 72. 7 balance. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 5, 152. So we'll get the new ratio as 152. Okay. Decrease. Fourth one is decrease 275 in the ratio 11 is to 7. Again, A is to B form. You have to do B by A. 7 by 11 into 275. It will be the new quantity. So divide 275 divided by 11 is 2 times 22. What remains here? 5. 55. How many times 11 goes? 5 times. 55, 0. So we get the answer as 25. So we can cancel this. I'll get 25. Again, 25 into 7. 5 7s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. So we'll get the answer as 175.